What's going on, guys? Cody from Motorcycle MD. In this video, we'll be tackling the rear end of this KZ400. Gotta get a rear fender mocked up and just the process on what I needed to do to get that to where I wanted it and what I was somewhat happy with. And the rear rim. It took a lot of cleaning. We gotta put a brand new tire on it and tube, and just to walk you guys through the process. Working on this bike has to be a pretty constant thing with me to get this thing done. And in order for me to give you guys something to look at, I just figured I'd shoot the process of me doing what I have to do to get this thing ready to go. If you're interested in learning more about this project and the build that's going on with this one, there's a playlist that contains the stuff that we're up to right now, and I'll continue to fill that with more videos as we go. But again, just not too many teachable moments in this video, just a fun video that I shot while I was just trying to get that rear end how I wanted it to be. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. We do videos on motorcycle repair, maintenance, builds, anything revolving around motorcycles, ATVs, small motors, mainly Honda, but this one's Kawasaki. But regardless, if you want to learn more about maintaining and taking care of your bike on a professional level, the things that you pay shops to do, I have a free course in the description, 40 plus videos on just how to do it on a consistent basis, at least once a year. It's very helpful. Lots of people have enjoyed it, and I've gotten great feedback from it. And again, totally free. Description, grab it, yours, take it. But sit back, relax, enjoy the time lapse, enjoy the movie. There's some talkable moments inside of it as I make some more progress on this bike. Enjoy. I'm not too sure of this rear fender right now. It is solid, right? Might be a little wide. TBD. I mocked it up. It fits nice. I like the way that it looks. It would fit a nice light to go on the back, but we'll see. We'll see. Since we're taking the sprocket off, got these little tabs. I want to bend those back a little bit while it's still mounted in there. It'll be a lot easier. That's still a part of it? Get out. It is. How does that even... Weird. It's probably not how it comes apart. I'll probably be going right back up there to figure out how this thing works. Never seen that before. Okay, so that has its own bearing. You gotta just pull out. You gotta be able to unscrew that and it just goes out that way. Is it like loose? Oh, it is loose. Okay. Not the right tool, obviously, but it is loose enough for me to use them. Okay, I see. Yeah, that guy, that pushes out through for a spacer on the back side. That's crazy. Bearings feel awesome. Alright, the more you know. Drop out from the inside, they have little lips on them that allow it to sit in one spot, like a carriage bolt. I'd like to try to clean this up a little bit. See if we can't get it to match that metal there. Which we might just have to use the blaster with, but I don't want to because of the bearing that's in there. The bearing is good. Let's see what we can do. The greaser is really old. I might need to get some new stuff. Kind of satisfying though. And the degreaser wasn't cutting it. Like that was where I was using the degreaser at. Down here, look at that. That's all degreaser. Simple green with the brass brush. Get out. Mixing 1-to-1. Their heaviest solution. Works great. Keep on scrubbing. Alright, so that's it guys. Rear end is somewhat where I think it should be. Obviously tons more to do, but next week we'll be going into the front end, the front tire, front forks, and even the steering head bearings, which are shot on this thing. If you do like this type of content, subscribe to the channel. Lots of stuff going on. We got at least 10 projects that I have to do. And make sure you grab that free course in the description. Until next time, Cody from Motorcycle MD, bringing you guys some quality tips and tricks for your next build or your daily rider. See you next time. Later. Whoop.